Today we're looking at a more budget brand, Opus. This brand has been around for a number of years and LRS has been selling it for a number of years too. It's a budget radio, but it offers quite a lot of features for what it is. Let's take a closer look. This model is the T300 Pro and it's superseded from the T2, so upgrading is simple and cost effective. As you can see, you get the radio, you get a battery, and you get a desk charger and power supply. You also get a belt clip that fits on the back with 2 screws. And of course, a user manual for the T300. The battery simply snaps into place like that. I won't be fitting the clip right now, but you saw that earlier. The Opus T300 builds on the reputation and the quality of its predecessors, with super simple operation, great performance and exceptional value. Like I said, it is a budget radio. It fits in the hand really well. It has on and off.
Turn on the radio, 1. Turn on the radio, 1.
And channel
2, 3, 2, 1.
And of course the antennas here. You have a PTT on the side and a couple of buttons for up and down or other choices. On this side, it's very similar to many other radios where you have headphone and earpiece microphone and so on and so forth. Round the back, here's the battery and the charging points are at the bottom. This housing is tougher, they say, than on the T2 and now includes a larger 40mm speaker for 1 watt of crisp output. Now 1 watt output is high, so that's a benefit with the Opus. There's also an improved battery pack that the manufacturer claims lasts 22% longer, offering more operating time between charges. The controls are simple and the voice and communication keeps operation easy and intuitive for all users. The T300 shares the same audio accessories, batteries and chargers as its predecessor, the Opus T2. So upgrading is simple and cost effective. The Opus T300 is the perfect tool for simple and affordable on-site communications. So let's consider some of the key features of this radio. Well, firstly, it's ideal for office and light industrial users. It's compact size and it has a light weight. It's simple to operate. It includes the battery, the charger and the belt clip as standard. And it has a Motorola compatible audio jack. Long Range Systems manufactures many different types of earpieces and microphones for Motorola radios, so they are compatible with this radio. Very high quality, but lower cost than you might pay, for example, to Motorola. There are programmable function buttons here, and there's an IP55 ingress protection. There's a voice and communication, and the battery is a 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is a high output battery. This is a UHF radio model, and the RF power on low power is 1 watt and on high power is 4 watts. It's pretty standard along with most other radios which are regulated by Ofcom. It's 1 watt output at 16 ohms with a 5% THD, and the weight of this unit is 250 grams. The battery will typically last you for up to 14 hours plus, and the channel capacity is 16 channels that have channel spacing 12.5 kHz to 25 kHz. The T300 is an analog radio, which is a bit old school these days, but it does come in 2 formats. It comes in a unlicensed format, which is a 0.5 watt output, and it comes in a licensed format, as you see here, which is 4 watts output. Analog radios are generally fine these days, but it's all moving along to digital and analog radios, of which Opus makes plenty of those. The radio is Motorola accessory compatible, only really for the headphone and microphone. And Long Range Systems makes a number of models of headphone and microphone set that will work perfectly in this unit, as I said before. So as a budget radio, there's not much to not like really, except maybe a 1-year warranty. Many Opus products have a 2-year warranty, but this one carries a 1-year warranty. A warranty where LRS is concerned is important, but there are other brands that we sell that are also 1-year warranty, although they are far in the minority these days. Warranty is important because it helps LRS to help the customer. If you get any problems on these products, we can handle all aspects of the Opus repair route through warranty. If it turns out not to be warranty, we will then offer you a great quotation based on getting this radio fixed as soon as possible and back in your hands operational. Now, if you want more information on this low-cost budget radio, it's quite simple. We have Opus experts within LRS UK that can help you determine whether this is the right radio or some other Opus model is more suitable for your needs. They can be contacted on 01782 53 7000. And these radios, the Opus radios, are also on our website that is also hosting HQT radios, which you'll see in all the videos that we're making. That website is hqtradios.co.uk, and that's not a manufacturer's website, that's an LRS UK website that is designed to introduce you to Opus and HQT radios directly without being too technical. It's best then to call our Opus or HQT experts who can help you in your choice and even loan you radios if necessary, so that you end up with the best radio suitable for your needs.